simple future tense. If the active voice is in the simple future tense, how will you change it into passive voice? Ramesh will cut the tree. So this is simple future tense. How will you identify whether this is simple future tense? After the subject you will see will. Future tense means it is not yet done, something which you are going to do later on. Ramesh will cut the tree. This is the verb over here, main verb, the tree object. Okay, simple again. What you do, this object you make it into subject now. So the tree, you write first the tree. Now in the future tense, over here will is there in the question, in the answer also you write will. So the tree will. You see and put it down here. Will be. Now you have to put over here be. This will always be there in the future tense, otherwise your answer will be wrong. The tree will be. Third form of cut. So you write over here cut. The tree will be cut by. So it is a name over here Ramesh. So no changing over here. You just write over here Ramesh at the last. Capital letter R because it is a proper noun. Full stop. So this is to change active voice into passive voice in future tense. One more example. Now we will catch her. So this is the active voice again. We over here, this is the doer. The doer means someone who is performing the action. Again we have over here will and catch. These are the verb. That means it is simple future tense. Catch her. This is the object over here. Now you are changing the object into subject. Therefore her will change into she. She, then you write will, then be, she will be, catch. Third form, that is the past participle form, catch, caught. By, what is the object of we? Us. Right over here, us. This is how you have to change active into passive voice in the simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. So I will give you a chart over here how to change the subject into object. So please copy it down. Okay, I will change into me, you will remain you, he will change into him, she will change into her, and they will change into them. We will change into us. If it is a pronoun, if the subject is pronoun, this way you have to do, okay? And it will remain it only. So I hope so you have understood these three. Now let's proceed towards the present continuous tense, active passive verb, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Now let us see an example. So this is an example. Ram is painting the door. So this is continuous. You see over here, in the continuous form we have over helping verb, that is, that means it is indicating that it is present, and then we have ing form of verb, the continuous form of verb, that is the present participle form of verb. She is painting the door. So, and then we have the door over here, this is the object. Again the same thing you have to do, make the object into the subject, that means the door. The door is, you will write over here is singular, the subject is singular now. Now over here you have to put something, addition will be over here, you have to put over here being, because over here it is ing form of verb, therefore you have to put over here being. If you don't put being, your answer is wrong. Being, B-E-I-N-G. Okay, always remember, if it is present continuous tense, in past continuous tense, after the auxiliary verb, you have to put over here being, otherwise your answer will be wrong. So the door is being. And again over here, this is the main verb in the question. Third form of this, painting, paint, painted, painted. So the door is being painted by Ram, will remain Ram. So Ram. This is the formula of the present continuous tense. This thing, this is there. Is, being, third form of verb. Okay? One more example. He is playing the guitar. Again we see over here, present continuous tense. Is here because he is the subject, he is singular, ing form of verb, the guitar is the object. What is he playing? If you ask the question, what is he playing, you get the answer, the guitar. That means the guitar is the object of the sentence, in the sentence, object of the verb over here. Answer you will write, the guitar is, you will write down is. Again what you will write over here now? Yes, you will write over here being, because ing form of verb is over here, playing is there. That means you will write over here being, B-E-I-N-G, being. The guitar is being played, third form of play, playing is played. Played by subject is he, that means you object of he is him. In this way you have to change into passive form. Got it? Okay, let us proceed now. So what you will write as the formula, you can write subject plus SOR plus ing form, being plus verb 3, that means the past participle form of verb. This is the formula. Subject, then you, if the subject is singular you will write is, and if the subject is plural you will write are, and then being, and then verb 3. If it is present continuous tense or past continuous tense, present continuous you will write is and are, and if the sentence is past continuous tense, in place of is you will write was, and in place of are you will write were. The remaining will be the same in this way. Okay. So one more example, only one example I will give you. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, sorry. So this is sentence, simple past tense, past continuous tense. Aman was writing a letter, again was, if you see what that means past, ing form of verb, writing a letter, object. Now change it into passive voice, a letter means single, so you will write was over here, was, ing form of verb, that means being, P-E-I-N-G, being. Third form of write is written, write, wrote, written, written by Aman. Always one thing you should remember, that whatever verb will be over here in the question, the main verb, in the answer you have to write the past participle form of the verb given in the question. So in this way you have to change the passive form of verb.